Welcome. Today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box. So let's check. As can you see here, we got some paperwork, the SIM tool, the more paperwork, the silicone protected case, the charger brick, and also the USB-C cable. And unfortunately we have no here completed the 3.5mm headphones adapter inside the box of our HUAWEI P50 Pro. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.